In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize and create folders on your iPhone home screen. So this is my home screen right now, and as you can see, I have created a folder right here and named Finance. Now let's go ahead and create another one. It's as easy as dragging. So I'm going to go ahead and long press on this one, for example. And then a moment I move it, it's going to start wiggling around. Now, what I'm going to do is just move this on top of YouTube, for example. I'm going to go ahead and place it there. And as you can see, it named itself Entertainment. You can go ahead and click that one and then go ahead and click this. In order for you to basically rename it from here, I'm going to go ahead and name this one as all right, screen time, for example. Click the check mark right here, click there, and then I can go ahead and click anywhere in here in order for it to stop moving. And yep, that is basically how you're gonna do it. You can then go ahead and organize the other folders here however you like, and then you can name them. And that, everybody, is how you're going to organize and create folders on your iPhone home screen.